Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Pooja Hegde, a luminary in Indian cinema, has masterfully carved her niche not only as a versatile actress but also as a trailblazer in the realm of contemporary fashion, seamlessly blending modernity with cultural resonance. Her sartorial choices are a testament to her innate ability to embrace evolving trends while retaining an aura of timeless elegance, making her a muse for designers and a style icon for millions. Whether gracing the red carpet, attending high-profile events, or sharing candid glimpses of her off-duty looks on social media, her wardrobe reflects a fearless yet refined approach to fashion. On the red carpet, she often opts for avant-garde silhouettes that challenge traditional norms. Think sleek metallic gowns with asymmetrical cuts, bold neon ensembles paired with minimalist jewelry. These choices highlight her willingness to experiment with textures, colors, and global design influences, from European haute couture to Indian handloom revivals. Designers like Manish Malhotra, Sabyasachi Mukherjee, and Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla have collaborated with her to create pieces that merge opulence with understated sophistication, such as a sheer tulle sari adorned with 3D floral appliques or a structured pantsuit with traditional Zardozi detailing. Beyond glamour, Pooja's casual wardrobe exudes relatability and chic simplicity. Oversized blazers paired with cycling shorts, monochrome co-ords accessorized with chunky sneakers, or breezy linen dresses styled with straw hats and layered necklaces. Her ability to elevate everyday wear lies in her attention to detail. A pop of color here, a mix of prints there, or a statement bag that ties the look together. What truly sets her apart is her dedication to infusing cultural heritage into modern contexts. She often dons contemporary takes on classic Indian wear, like a dhoti-style sari with a crop top, a bandhani dupatta paired with a slip dress, or a fusion anarkali with geometric cutouts, proving that tradition and trendiness can coexist harmoniously. She also champions sustainability by spotlighting eco-friendly fabrics and Indian handloom brands, subtly advocating for conscious fashion without compromising on style. Her social media serves as a dynamic portfolio of her fashion journey, where she interacts with fans, shares behind-the-scenes glimpses of fittings, and credits emerging designers, fostering a community of style enthusiasts. Beyond aesthetics, her confidence and poise, whether in a bold pantsuit or a delicate chiffon sari, embody the idea that fashion is an extension of self-expression. In an industry often dictated by fleeting trends, her wardrobe philosophy stands as a refreshing ode to individuality, innovation, and cultural pride, inspiring a generation to embrace modernity while staying rooted in authenticity. Her style narrative isn't just about clothing, it's a celebration of identity, artistry, and the ever-evolving dialogue between tradition and the contemporary. Her fashion influence extends beyond her wardrobe to her beauty choices, which often serve as the perfect complement to her outfits. She leans into minimalist glam for casual looks. Think dewy skin, nude lips, and loose waves, but isn't afraid to embrace drama for red carpets, opting for smoky eyes, bold liners, or even experimental hairstyles like sleek buns with face-framing tendrils or braided crowns. Her jewelry selections further highlight her versatility: chandelier earrings for opulent saris, delicate layered chains for streetwear, or even quirky hairpins that add whimsy to an otherwise structured ensemble. What's particularly striking is how her fashion sensibilities align with her on-screen persona. In films, whether she's portraying a girl next door or a regal character, her costumes often mirror her off-screen style: youthful, vibrant, and approachable. Designers note that her input during fittings reflects her keen eye for detail. She gravitates toward pieces that empower movement and confidence, whether it's a flowing gown or a tailored blazer. This synergy between real and real life makes her style feel authentic rather than performative. She also uses her platform to spotlight emerging Indian designers and artisans, often wearing indie labels like Pero by Enid Arora or Raw Mango, which celebrate handwoven textiles and regional craftsmanship. By doing so, she amplifies the narrative of slow fashion in a fast-paced industry, proving that ethical choices can be chic. Her Instagram feed, for example, often features captions crediting weavers or explaining the cultural significance of a fabric, subtly educating her audience about India's rich textile legacy. Seasonally, she adapts her wardrobe with finesse: airy pastels and florals for summer, rich velvets and jewel tones for winter, and transitional layering during monsoon months. In essence, her wardrobe is a canvas where tradition dances with innovation, and individuality trumps conformity. She doesn't just wear clothes, she curates experiences, sparking conversations about identity, sustainability, and the power of fashion as a cultural bridge. Her fashion narrative reveals how her sartorial influence transcends mere aesthetics, embedding itself into cultural conversations, aspirational lifestyle branding, and even socioeconomic advocacy. Her role as a trendsetter is amplified by her strategic presence at high fashion events, where she often serves as a showstopper for premier designers at Lakme Fashion Week, India Couture Week, and beyond. Walking the ramp in a shimmering Sabyasachi lehenga or a futuristic Gaurav Gupta gown, she embodies the designer's vision while infusing her signature charisma, blurring the lines between muse and collaborator. These appearances aren't just about spectacle, they position her as a bridge between haute couture and mainstream audiences, democratizing high fashion through her accessible yet aspirational persona. A lesser discussed facet of her style is her mastery of accessories, which she treats as storytelling tools rather than afterthoughts. Her handbag collection, ranging from artisanal bamboo clutches to sleek designer minaudières, often sparks trends, with fans scrambling to replicate her looks. Hair and makeup, too, are deliberate extensions of her outfits, a messy topknot with face-framing tendrils for bohemian vibes, or a slick back bun with a bold red lip for old Hollywood glamour, proving that her styling is a 360-degree art form. Her fashion journey is also marked by her fearless response to critiques and trends. In an era where celebrities often play it safe to avoid online backlash, she has embraced polarizing styles, a neon green corset gown with voluminous sleeves, a deconstructed sari with harness detailing owning them with unshakable confidence. During film promotions, her wardrobe becomes a curated extension of her roles. For a period drama, she might lean into vintage-inspired silk saris and temple jewelry. For an urban rom-com, she'll opt for playful crop tops, high-waisted skirts, and sneakers. This thematic alignment showcases her ability to merge storytelling with personal style, creating buzz not just for the film but for the designers she spotlights. Her Instagram often doubles as a platform for mini masterclasses on India's textile diversity, explaining the history of Pashmina, the craftsmanship behind Banarasi brocades, or the eco-benefits of khadi. This educational approach transforms her feed into a digital archive of cultural preservation. Even her casual looks carry intentionality. Gym wear, for instance, isn't just about functionality. She styles cropped hoodies with high-waisted leggings and designer sneakers, accessorized with a sporty cap and a luxe tote, making athleisure look editorial. Vacation wardrobes, shot in locales from the Swiss Alps to Goa's beaches, blend wanderlust with wearable inspiration, pink knit co-ords with straw hats, bikini cover-ups styled as sarongs, or linen kaftans with statement sunglasses. Her collaboration with beauty brands often emphasizes inclusivity, such as promoting deeper foundation shades or hair care for textured Indian hair, aligning her image with progressive beauty standards. Ultimately, Pooja Hegde's style is a living, breathing manifesto, a blend of audacity, empathy, and cultural pride. Every outfit tells a story, of heritage reimagined, of sustainability prioritized, of boundaries shattered. She doesn't just follow trends, she sets them, proving that fashion, at its best, is a powerful dialogue between the past and the future, the individual and the collective. As she continues to evolve, one thing remains constant: her wardrobe isn't just clothing, it's a revolution. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.